What a very frustrating week. Yeah, it's been a week like that. Things I gotta do today. Well, now that it's winter in the lower mainland of British Columbia, we get rain. Constant rain. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for the months between October and May. Rain. So, because I had my windshield replaced, I need to get it treated with RainEx. So I'm just on my way to Canadian Tire, also known as Crappy Tire, to get some RainEx, because in the move I lost it again. Then I'm gonna head into Vancouver to see my parents. My sister's over from England, so visit there. And then tonight I've got the AGM, the annual general meeting of the Tesla owners of British Columbia, and it's going to be held at the West 4th showroom. So I'll show you a bit of that. But first, RainEx, do the front windshield. Oh, and also my door handle's screwed again. We'll talk more about that later. Cheers. All right, picked up the RainEx from Crappy Tire. Step 1, clean the windshield. Step 2, allow to dry. Step 3, apply on a clean, soft cloth in a circular motion. Step 4, wipe off with a folded clean cloth. Don't know why it has to be folded, but it says folded. And that should be it. You can repeat it again, which I will. Well, made it into Vancouver. As you can tell, absolutely hate this town. Absolutely hate this town. Actually, no, I don't hate this town. I hate going into the town or coming out of the town. While I'm here, I'm happy. Life is good. Life is grand. Also, the other good thing about Vancouver is that I would suggest that the majority of the Teslas purchased in British Columbia are from people in Vancouver. So therefore, all the stats for supercharger assignment that was out to you, internet dude, Saskatchewan, with a total of 0 superchargers, and here's BC with us 5 or 6, 7 or 8. I lost count. There's so many. Oh, and there's a new one opening up in a couple of days. So I digress. However, the majority of those that purchase Teslas, especially in Vancouver, do it for a status symbol as opposed to being a smart way to go, even if you don't take into consideration the saving of the planet, because usually they don't care, but more to be that it's a smart vehicle. It's a good vehicle. So thanks and no thanks to everyone in Vancouver. Oh fuck, here we go. Pause. Sorry about that. A very important person receiving phone calls. So in Vancouver, so I'm here to see Mom and Dad. Just got a phone call that Dad needs to get a haircut, so I'll be taking him for a haircut. He's 93 years old, and there's not much up there, but what he does have up there, he would like cut for Christmas. not as a Christmas present, but just to look good for Christmas. So the Model S is a very low sporty car, and I don't want to say he has trouble getting in and out of it, but it's definitely not something like a Land Rover or something that he can sort of just slide into. So this is going to be fun. Getting in to get a haircut, and then getting back in to come home. Anyway, we'll see. Vancouver traffic sucks. This Vancouver, I figured out why I get so stressed out in here is because the drivers in Vancouver absolutely suck. And there's a lot of them. So when you combine a bad driver and then multiply it with just about everyone in the city, it's just too much. I just get so frustrated. I get angry. I get road rage-ish. You know, like all the cars will begin to slow down, you know, at an intersection or whatever, without a left turn lane, and then everyone stops, and the car in front hasn't got his left turn lane on, indicator on. So okay, a couple of honks and all that kind of stuff, and then the guy in front of me does the exact same thing. And they're not just BMW drivers, because we all know that BMW drivers don't know how to use an indicator. This is everyone. It's just like, you know, just drive where and how you want. Don't bother indicating. I think it'd be great if you just disconnected everyone's brake lights too. You know, that would solve a lot of issues. Anyway, getting frustrated. So I will probably talk to you tonight as I get to my AGM. Cheers. Well, here I am at the Tesla AGM. I'm a little bit early. But there you go, is the showroom. We got the Model 3. There's a Model S, and it looks like they took the X away just to make room for, it looks like some kind of presentation. Right there is Santa. Look at that. Design wall. But even more important is, look at that. Oh, they got some Heineken. Cheese trays, coffee. You know I'll be in there like a dirty shirt. Anyway, they probably don't allow cameras. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Oh, I forgot to mention, my door handle's acting up again. Damn it. So he's in there. Awesome. Well, he has come and gone. He's fixed it. I didn't want to record it while he was doing it, but look at this. One finger opening. And what else he did for me is that he pushed the latest and greatest software update. Some more on that. So there you go. That's what my day has been, or my days off has been like. Awesome. Thanks, Tesla. Thanks, mobile support. Glad I'm not in Saskatchewan.